Number 1, in the sketch below, triangle ABC has an exterior angle ACD. If the angle 1 is equal to 56 degrees, angle 2 is equal to 54 degrees, what is the measurement of angle ACD? Go and take a look at your answer choices and make the best selection. Press pause if you need to. Number 2, 4 triangles are shown below. Go ahead and take a look at the 4 triangles. Question: based on these triangles, which statement is true? Based on these triangles, which statement is true? Go ahead and review A, B, C, and D. Raise your hand if you need me to read these answer choices separately. Number 3, in the sketch below, 2 parallel lines are cut by a transversal. Which of the following statements is not true? Which of the following statements is not true? A, angle 3 and angle 1 are corresponding angles. B, angle 6 and angle 3 are alternate interior angles. C, angle 6 and angle 5 are same side interior angles. D, angle 5 and angle 4 are alternate exterior angles. Go ahead and press pause. Number 4, triangle ABC has an exterior angle which measures 112 degrees. Which of the following could not be the measures of the angles of triangle ABC? Again, which of the following could not be the measures of the angles of triangle ABC? Go ahead and press pause if you need to make your calculations. Number 5, the 3 angles of a triangle have measures of 56 degrees, 2x plus 4, and x. What are the measures of the 3 angles of the triangle? What are the measures of the 3 angles of the triangle? Number 6, which of the following are not the measures of the angles of a triangle? Which of the following are not the measures of the angles of a triangle? Press pause. This picture is also just a little better than the other one. Number 7, which set of ordered pairs represents y as a function of x? Number 8, which graph does not represent y as a function of x? Take a look at the 4 graphs. Again, which graph does not represent y as a function of x? Number 9, which statement describes the mapping? Which statement describes the mapping? Is it A, the mapping represents y as a function of x because each y value corresponds to exactly one x value? B, the mapping does not represent y as a function of x because 2 of the x values correspond to the same y values. C, the mapping represents y as a function of x because each x value corresponds to exactly one y value. D, the mapping does not represent y as a function of x because there are more x values than different corresponding values. Number 10. Which graph shows a y as a function of x? Which graph shows y as a function of x? Make sure your name is on the test, please.